All right, guys, I have a bunch of prompts that you can basically use to enter into Claude to get a ton of backlink opportunities. These are the same prompts that I use to secure DR77 backlink and hundreds of other backlinks. So you can easily start using these today, copy and paste them. So I'm going to go through these prompts, and I'm going to go through some alternative ways to get backlinks as well. So you can use either of these strategies, either of these tools, or all of them to get a ton of backlinks and a ton of backlink opportunities. This is fantastic. Let's go. So let me go through all these, and then we're going to run through some examples so you guys can see what they do, because these are pretty amazing. All right, so here is the first part of the prompt. We would just copy and paste this whole thing or the individual prompts into Claude, and you can also save that as a skill, and you can run each as a skill, whatever you want to do. But basically, there are a couple of different link opportunities here. Well, actually, a bunch of different link opportunities in here. So the first is charity links. So basically, this will find you ways that you can donate to a nonprofit to get a link from their supporters page. So really cool stuff. This is an easy way to get a very high DR backlink. A lot of the backlinks that are in charity pages are very high DR, and there's a lot of different ones. And some of them are very inexpensive to donate to be part of their support page. And the nice thing, it's a tax write-off, right? You can literally write off the expense of the backlink and then get all of the authority of the backlink. So this is the first one. The second one is niche edits. So basically, you can get your link added to an article that already exists and already ranks, so there's no writing required. So this will give you opportunities to reach out and provide niche edits for your particular niche to get that link inserted. All right, so the next one that we have here is a backlink exchange. So this is going to find you link opportunities similar to your niche where you can basically do an exchange. It'll find you those opportunities to reach out to the businesses that are like you, and you can basically take your link, give it to them, and then take their link and insert it in your content as well. So a lot of opportunities there. Guest posts. So this is really good. So you write for a site in your niche, and then you earn a contextual author link. So this will find you guest post opportunities. There's usually a bunch within your niche where you can then basically apply to be a guest writer, and then you would get that guest link, backlink back to your site. Directory listings. So basically this are kind of boring, but this is good for local and SaaS companies. But there's a lot of directories. Usually most directories or most local businesses have like 10 to 15 to 20 local directories that they can basically just submit their information, and then you would get that directory backlink. These are very easy to get. They're not as high authority, but it's they're very easy to get and really good for the NAP to find that consistency across different websites with your name, your address, and all of your details. The PR press release. So this is a real announcement that you can basically announce an opening or a special event, and then you can earn news links and brand mentions. So this is will give you those opportunities for press releases. This is moving into the B tier. This isn't as powerful. Some of these can be black hat, so just be careful. I would stick with the first ones that I just talked about. But B tier are profile links, so public profiles with a link back. So low authority, but good for link diversity. So this is going to find you where you can set up profiles and then basically get links back to your website. PBN links, so expired domains, higher risk. This is against Google's guidelines, but I'm including it so you guys know what it is. But basically, you would find those expired domains, and then you would basically redirect those links back to you. Not something I would recommend. Parasite SEO. So basically, you would rank a page on a high authority platform you don't own. So this is that one. Social links, consistent profile links across social platforms. So this is just making sure, helping you find the social platforms, take advantage of those profiles, and then build those consistent links. Broken link building. So this was tedious before, but it becomes a top strategy once Claude does a grind for you. So basically, this is going to help you find broken links for a particular niche. and then it'll give you the competitor URL or backlink export that you can then reach out and offer to fix those broken links and then get the backlink back to you. And then expired domain 301 redirect, so you can buy a relevant expired domain and then redirect its authority back to your site. So those are the variety of different prompts. I would stick with the first few, but basically all you have to do is you can run this in Claude. You can basically do all of this, or you can mix and match it. If you want this, you can type prompt below and I will send you all of this. But basically you can just take any of this. So let's do guest posts. This is a good opportunity to reach out and find people within your niche to do guest posting for. So we're going to copy that and then we are going to paste it in here. And then basically you're going to put your niche or your site URL in here. You don't have to put both because it's going to read your site. All right, so we're just going to put a random website in here so it knows what to do. It's going to be like some random plumbing site. I'm going to change this down to Opus 5. Doesn't need to be as crazy. Then we're going to hit enter, and it's going to find us those guest post opportunities. And then stay tuned. I'm going to show you another alternative way to get backlinks as well. That's kind of runs on autopilot. That's really cool. But you can use Claude for backlink opportunities as well. I like to take advantage of every backlink opportunity there is out there. So you have the most potential because backlinks still are one of the best things that you can do to build authority and get traffic. All right, so here we go. It ran its prompt, found the prospective guest post. So it's looking for the right for us URL, and then it basically gives you the URL to click into, and then it also gives you the guidelines, and then it gives you the contact information as well. So you can reach out to all of these people. Now this part you can automate too. You can kind of take this to the next level and have set up your Gmail as a connector, and then basically it'll draft these reach out posts. I'm not going to go into that. It's a little bit more advanced, but this is the first step, is basically getting all these, and then you're going to do the reach out, the outreach, which you can automate as well, which is really cool. So this is really good information. You could download this as a CSV file, and then it gives kind of the summary here on the left. But all of these are really good opportunities for backlinks, for guest posting. And the nice thing is, this is just one of the prompts that's in that prompt pack. There are a ton more that you saw, and all of those are really good opportunities to get a lot of backlinks. Now, the other thing that you can do to get backlinks, and what I use, is Arvow. So Arvow is a great tool to not only write SEO optimized content to get a lot of traffic and naturally get backlinks and get an additional ranking in your website, because you can write these amazing branded SEO articles targeting keywords, targeting search intent, but they have a backlink exchange. So this is really awesome. So you basically just submit your URL. There's thousands of users that use Arvow, and every user that enters the backlink exchange gets entered in this pool of potential backlinks. And then when you or any of the users generate SEO content, it looks at this pool of potential backlinks and finds high DR relevant backlinks. When it finds them, it naturally inserts them in your content as backlinks, as external links. So most users are reporting to get like 1 to 5 backlinks per day automatically on the fly. So this is really cool asset that they have as part of this. Another part of this that they have is if you want to basically just straight up pay for backlinks, you can definitely do that as well. So they have, as part of their program here, you can literally go in here and you can buy DR 40 plus backlinks. If you scroll to the bottom, they have these. You can buy 3, 5, 10. So you can buy all of these backlinks and not have to do any of this work, any of this outreach if you want. Or again, you can join the backlink exchange, or you can basically run this prompt and do it that way. Or you can do all three, right? The best of both worlds, and get all of those backlinks and continue to build your website's authority. So hopefully it helps you guys out as far as getting more backlinks today. You can start doing this immediately. If you want these prompts, type prompt below, and make sure you check out this other video on SEO and backlinks and automations to help your business grow. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.